Murf AI pricing plan, text-to-speech software. In this video, I'll show you the pricing plan available on Murf. The link for Murf is given in the description down below. If you sign up with the link, you will be able to actually save up to 33%. When it comes to the pricing plan on Murf, we have very easy pricing plans available. First, we have a free plan available, which is going to be $0 per month. With the free plan, we just have one user available. Then we have a basic plan for small teams, and it's going to be $19 per month, up to 10 users with this plan. Then we have a pro plan, which is going to be $39 per month, and it's going to be for the large teams. With this, you will be able to go up to 10 users. Then we have an enterprise, which is going to be starting from $49 per month. All of the different features are listed below, such as unlimited downloads, the access to different number of voices, the access to languages, and more. So now we have switched to the yearly plans, and now you can see the pricing plan actually decreased and we are saving 33%. The free plan is of course again free. The basic is now $13 per month. The pro starts from just $26 per month. It is also one of the most popular plans out there. With this, we are getting up to 10 users, and we have unlimited downloads, 120 plus voices, 20 plus languages, 48 hours of voice generated per user per year, 24 hours transcription per year, collaborative workspace, AI voice changers, and more. Then we also have an enterprise for large companies, and you will be able to select the number of users and it will accordingly adjust your pricing. You can also contact sales for this plan right here. So this is the pricing plan for Murf. Switch to yearly to save up to 33%, and the link for Murf is also given in the description down below. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.